Is your 2013-2016 Lincoln MKS key fob failing? Dimming LED lights or difficulty unlocking your vehicle are common signs of a low battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a new CR2032 battery available for $5 to $15, a small flathead screwdriver or coin, and a clean, dry cloth. Before you begin, ground yourself to avoid static electricity. Make sure to purchase high-quality batteries like Energizer or Duracell and avoid cheap knockoffs. First, locate the seam on your key fob, usually along the sides or near the keyring hole. Gently pry it open with your screwdriver or coin. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, positive side up, and insert the new battery the same way. Clean the contacts with a dry cloth or alcohol wipe if you see any corrosion. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming by pressing lock and unlock buttons simultaneously while inside the vehicle, or consult your owner's manual. If issues persist, visit the dealership.